Hi, I'm Brent from Build It Yourself Laboratories. I'm a media artist and I love everything to do with digital design, especially 3D graphics. 3D graphics are used in a lot of different industries. Simulations are created to help professionals learn new skills with little risk and at low cost. Where if they have done things in real life, such as trying to learn to fly a jet or how to perform surgery before a simulation, it could be costly and very dangerous. 3D tools are also extremely important for the future of the game industry and animation industry. 3D graphics allow you to create more immersive and innovative environments that are easier to edit and far more dynamic than what 2D animations could do. Computer-aided drafting is used by architects and industrial designers to make visualizations of buildings, structures, and products before they're built. And advanced 3D software can actually test the structural integrity of different materials, so it can save a lot of money by visualizing a product before you manufacture it. 3D graphics are also used to display complex models, such as you would see in medicine and in physics. And without 3D graphics to aid you, it'd be really hard to grasp the concepts and see the tiny details. So our problem is that reality can be very expensive and dangerous. And also 2D animations are very expensive and limited. They're hard to edit, hard to set up, and with 3D graphics, when we learn to think and express our ideas in 3 dimensions, we'll be able to quickly edit and make really cool animations. So that's our mission, learn to think and express ideas in 3 dimensions. Here are a few Hall of Fame examples from past members.